Now, other than this, exploring all the possible freelancing platforms, I found this another way to hunt clients outside Upwork, Freelancer, or any platform, which is a really simple method. I call it strategic cold email marketing, a cold email outreach, where what you need to do is you need to find your potential client data or email, or simply name and email of that person, and then you create an Excel sheet of that, and you keep sending them super personalized email ki, hey, I am Mayank and I can help you with this. Now you have to be really effective about the text you are writing in your email. You cannot write, hey, I have done this and I can do this and that, because that is something they have been hearing from everyone. You have to be sounding and promising. You can tell them ki, see, I know you have 10 things in your bucket list and I can help you take 3 out of them, which will help you scale your revenue further. I know you can do it, but the problem is not that you cannot do it. The problem is that you don't have the bandwidth to do it, that I can manage with the same efficiency as you would do. And you keep sending those emails to as many people as you want, but don't send more than 50 emails in a day. And then you follow this process for 3 months and you will get to see that people are responding to you. And for brief meetings with them, I would say them a pre-screening call, and then you can simply close the client.